Soundcheck's unique loose particle detection algorithm analyzes random transient distortion in the time domain. This identifies manufacturing defects caused by foreign particles such as glue or magnet fragments trapped in the gap behind the diaphragm or dust cap, otherwise known as crap in the gap. Although this algorithm has been in Soundcheck since 2005, I'm always surprised how few people are aware of it since it's so valuable for improving manufacturing yield. Let's first look at the types of distortion we see on the production line. Conventional rub and buzz measurements analyze periodic distortion by looking at higher order harmonics in the frequency domain. These usually indicate a rubbing voice coil or similar. However, with loose particles, analysis in the frequency domain does not yield useful information. Loose particle analysis examines transient distortion in the time domain. This identifies random clicking, popping, or rattling noises made by particles trapped behind the diaphragm or dust cap. We can visualize this by looking at both the time and frequency analysis of the signal together. Here in the frequency domain, you can see the periodic distortion, in other words, rub and buzz. And here in the time domain, you can see the random transients or loose particles. Let's take a closer look at the algorithm. Loose particle detection uses a swept sign stimulus and time envelope analysis of the waveform response to capture the transients. Detection thresholds are set for magnitude, duration, and number of transients to quantify their level and number over time. Limits and filters are applied to separate device transients from background noise. Fine-tuning with these tools customizes the algorithm for your product and manufacturing environment. Measuring the different types of distortion enables rapid troubleshooting and correction of manufacturing problems, and Soundcheck is the only production line measurement system that can accurately distinguish between periodic and random transients. Loose particle detection is also useful for identifying loose or rattling components such as buttons, keyboards, wires, and fasteners. In the digital domain, it can catch Bluetooth dropouts, clipping, and other digital signal processing artifacts. This functionality is available in all editions of Soundcheck. Check it out.